Alright guys, don't get sucked into this. Right now it's 2:24 in the afternoon, and I'm taking a look at the entire market. Going to the... Well, first off, I want to talk about Apple. Well, first off, let's say almost the breadth in this decline is just atrocious. Honestly, Apple, with its giant weight in the S&P 500 index, it's really the only thing that's keeping it from crashing. And notice that in the RSI right now, recently a trend line just broke. So I'm actually predicting an afternoon sell-off, not a rally. The Dow Jones, DJI, there we go. The Dow Jones, if I go to the 2-day chart, we're going to have a 5-wave sequence that started with the triangle breakdown yesterday. So when this broke down, that said that we have 5 more waves until the actual decline is over. So this morning, yesterday, the breakdown was from here, and I'll go to the top of the corrective movement, which was about, actually, I'm not going to go from the top of the corrective movement, but I'll put this right there. So that's our measuring stick, essentially. Besides that small failure right there, that's going to be wave 1. Wave 2 was up to here. Wave 3 down, and we'll put the 168 on that. Hold on, where's the top? Sure, why not? The 168 right there, so it's a 3rd wave extension. And then we have wave 4 right in this area, which just broke down recently. And that's going to give us a target if we use our measuring stick again. That's going to give us targets of about 12,262. And if it does decide to spike at all, it'll bring us down to the 12,250 level. So at this point, I'm expecting a sell-off probably into this afternoon, because this is just, let's see, wave 3 I don't think has begun yet. If I take a look at this and I extend it once, and I put it right at the top of there, no, honestly, wave 3 has not begun yet, and you're going to see a panic selling with that. And so I would suggest you cover, do not short around this area, because this is going to be the ultimate reversal point. And then if you want to get in, you can get in later after it breaks. And if it doesn't break, then you want to be buying.